For me, as an engineer, I enjoy working with people who are like-minded, who are practical, and I love to be involved in something where there's an end result that you can physically see. So here at Southgate campus we deliver level 1, 2 and 3 electrical installation. Once we get to level 3, you can then go out, get some experience and become a qualified electrician. So the electrical team works with our apprenticeship and our employer engagement team. So we work hard to get you opportunities, so we bring in employers throughout the year. We do speed dating activities with employers, we do boost sessions where we help you to write your CV and to practice assessment centres so that if you want to go for an apprenticeship, then you'll be in a good position to succeed above other people. Yes, the skills you learn are exactly the ones you need for when you go out in the real world and get a job as an electrician. Favourite memories? So favourite memories would be always seeing our boys and girls finishing their exams with a big smile on their face.